guys, so good morning. I don't think I'm doing that much today, but I am swimming with someone today. That's gonna be fun. So I may or may not vlog again. Probably not. We'll probably get everything set up and stuff. And I'm excited. I haven't seen my swim teacher or swim helper since like the beginning of summer, and summer's almost over. It's been a while. But yeah, yes. The trainer, when we had the trainer over, we're supposed to say, Izzy, come here. Izzy, come here. And we're supposed to say, come here, if she's not coming, which she's not listening to me anyway. Izzy, can you come here? No? Told you, she's not listening. We made cookies yesterday. Yes, I had a friend over, who shall not be named. These cookies right over here. Yum. They have mini M&Ms, big M&Ms, and chocolate chip cookies. Yes, so good. So unhealthy for you, but so good. Like, I was dying, but, you know, that's me. What you doing, baby? What you doing? She's funny. But yes, I will keep you guys updated on what else is going on today. I'm taking Izzy for a walk, but in a way that his trainer wanted to walk. So I guess I can talk to you guys now. She is scared of my wheelchair, so we're trying to get her closer to my wheelchair so she won't be as afraid. Like, not enough I can run over her, but like enough like she won't be afraid of it anymore. So the trainer told us, oh no. The trainer told us to some good tips to help her. I'm glad this was an empty lot. That's all I'm gonna say about that. So we're supposed to, Izzy, let's go for a walk. Good girl, Izzy. Yeah, there's a good girl. Yeah. Let's go walking. Yeah, let's really go walking. That's it. And then if he like wants to go somewhere, we have to like talk with the caller. Good girl, Izzy. Yeah, that's a good girl. Hey, that's not what you're supposed to do. Like something like that, which is kind of silly, but I mean, if it works, I'm gonna do it. Come on, let's go for a walk, Izzy.
How long do you want me to videotape? How long do you want me to videotape?
Yeah, go until I say that you can go.
Izzy, you're so silly.
Izzy, stay. Lay down. Izzy, sit. Sit. We did this just 2 minutes ago. Sit. Lay down. Lay down. Wait. No. Sit. Sit. Sit, Izzy. Sit.
Almost. There we go. Yay, Izzy.
Lay down. Lay down.
It always has to be a party too. That's another thing.
What?
When we're like training Izzy, you have to pretend it's like party, like yay, excited.
Okay, lay down. Lay down. Okay. Okay. We're gonna stay. Stay. Okay. Leave it. Leave it. No. No, 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 no. That's not what we're supposed to do, silly. Stay. Stay. Leave it. Leave it. Now you can go get it. Go get it. Yay, Izzy!
Good job, baby. Woo. I think I'm gonna end it here today. I'm about to go swimming, so that's gonna be fun. And after that, I'm not doing anything today, as you can tell. I took my dog out, so that was fun to watch, right? But anyway, I'm probably gonna end it today. So yeah, I subscribe, like this video. I love you guys.